Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Is your garden also in a bad condition like ours? Like all the leaves of the plants start getting dry and start shedding off. It is actually nothing to worry about. It is a very normal process of plant. Actually, during the winter period, all the summer plants go in dormancy period. And don't worry, as soon as the spring will come, the plants will start getting bushier and healthier again. But right now during the winter period, we have to take some care of this plant. And it is not some special care, it is just a few basic care. Like as you know, during the summer season, we used to dig the soil of our plants. This step is also important in winter, as digging will help in aeration and in removal of weeds. While doing this, my mom also checks the condition of the roots. Those who regularly watch our videos know that in some of our vegetable plants, the plants have been infested with nematodes. This nematode disease is very contagious if the soil is contaminated. While digging, my mom noticed that this hibiscus plant might have some nematodes. To confirm this, my mom started digging it more and started removing a few roots. And finally, she found out that this spot is also nematode infested. But how will you understand if your plant has nematodes? If you can notice, the roots are swelled up. These are called root knots. Normally, if your plant has nematodes, you will be able to notice these root knots in your plant's roots. And if there is severe nematodes infestation, your plant can slowly die. But what should we do now? As it is winter right now, we cannot change the soil or trim the roots of the plant. So my mom is doing another thing, which we will share with you guys. We have around 6 to 7 hibiscus plants, and my mom noticed that we have nematode infestation in 2 of those plants. Here, as you can see, my mom is sprinkling some mustard seeds on the soil. If you have, you can also use marigold seeds. Once these seeds germinate, the roots of these plants have such a compound which will kill the nematodes. So until spring season, these mustard seeds or marigold seeds will germinate, and then it will slowly kill the nematodes of the plant. After sprinkling the mustard seeds, there is a very important thing we have to do during this winter season. This is nothing else than mulching. To make mulch, you have to take some dry leaves or dry straw and then cover the topsoil of the plant. During winter, it maintains the soil temperature. That's why during winter you should water your plants very carefully. Only water when the topsoil is dry. Oh, and don't forget to place your plant in such an area where it can get at least 5 to 6 hours of sunlight. Oh, and another important tip is no fertilizer should be given to the plant. After 6 to 7 days, the mustard seeds are grown. And hopefully the nematodes will be killed and the plants will get better. And after that, during spring season, we will trim the roots of the plant and change the soil. If you have the same problem, then make sure to follow these steps and grow some mustard plant or marigold plant in the soil of the plant. This will save your plants and the nematodes will eventually go away. That's it. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.